Bill Kesterkey with Key Exteriors. We're standing in front of the home of the 2016 $50,000 home makeover winner, Victoria Miller, here on Ordway Drive in northeastern Fort Wayne. One of the things we want to talk about is the fact that we made the outside of the home maintenance free. We chose a siding in a dark brown color to match up with the existing brick and actually the existing roof. We chose the darker color because it helps blend in, and it also allows us to use a white colored trim and make things pop out. So the siding is now energy efficient and maintenance free. We also use some darker shutters to make that stand out as well and to blend in with the brick and the roof. When we are finished, we have a maintenance free product that is also beautiful. And if you look at the way the home looked before, man oh man did this make a difference. And if you think about it and you think about the outside of the home and the complete envelope, by replacing the siding you could probably make more of a visual change than anything else. It also allows us to do the soffits and fascia and all the trim around the windows in white. That makes things pop out. Also, we blended in the front door with black, okay, with a nice caming and a silver nickel to blend that all in. When we were complete, you have a home that looks brand new. If you'd like to find out more about how you can update the outside of your home, give us a call at 492-8062 or go to our website, keyexteriors.com. Or if you'd like just to enter for the $50,000 home makeover for 2019, go ahead and give us a call or go to our website once again.